Hey guys, welcome back to my channel her sensei this side. So today I'm going to teach you about how to write and pronounce katakana ma, mi, mu, me and mo. So let's get started with the video.
So our first alphabet today is Ma. For Ma, you just need to draw a sleeping line followed by a drop down and then a simple cut. Like this. This becomes Ma. Mi is simply your three parallel lines like this. For Mu, you just need to draw a simple V and then a line at the end. For May, you just need to draw a curve and then a cut. This becomes May. Our last alphabet today is Mo. For Mo, you just need to draw two parallel lines and then a small curvy line like this.
So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys have understood what I have taught you today and you guys would practice, and all the download links will be down in the description box. You can check them out regarding the hiragana, katakana and kanji PDF and my mobile application download. And also you can check me out on Instagram and Twitter. I am regularly posting up there. So see you there. Bye.